Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to show you a couple quick and easy tips / hacks on how to clean your microwave. We're on a microwave drawer, but you can kind of use any microwave. It's really going to be the same scenario. This one is, used by a lot of folks and has some good soil on it. It has some, caked on stuff. So I figured, this is probably the best one to use. Got a little bit of water in a bowl here, microwave safe bowl. We're going to add some white vinegar to it. And, white vinegar neutralizes it, deodorizes it, it's going to help clean. But what it's going to do is really, if we put this on for about a minute, 2 minutes, it's really going to heat up, deodorize the area as well, but kind of loosen some of that heavy stuff off so we can wipe it really clean with some white vinegar, okay? You could use mild Dawn soap too on the outside and things like that, but I really like the effect the vinegar does. So we'll open our microwave drawer, hit the open button. Okay, as you can see, we got some gunk on there and things like that. So put it right in the center, okay? We'll close that. Then we're gonna really put it on for about 2 minutes and just see. Let's put that on right there. We'll hit start. And we're just gonna let it run, let it heat up that water and vinegar mixture. Really, even if it bubbles over, I think it's totally fine. I kind of like it to bubble over just to get everywhere, but you'll see the steam will create and the vinegar will like kind of deodorize it. So even if you use your microwave a lot, it's clean, but it still has that smell of popcorn or whatever you cook, that vinegar really helps it deodorize it, things like that too. So think about that on the cleaning end too. All right, so we'll just wait another minute 30. All right, that friendly beep means our time is up. So let's open this. And you guys don't have smell-o-vision, but you could just smell the vinegar of the water wafting out. This is going to be hot, so let's remove this. And now let's use this vinegar water mixture. Let's type it in there. Look at that, nice and hot. And now we'll wipe all of this up. Nice and clean. That's coming. And I like to get in the doors everywhere, kind of get it all out of there. Okay. Get a clean, dry one here. Just to wipe this inner part. Looking good already. See, that's nice and quick and easy. How cool that looks. Then I'll get the top here, everything that kind of everybody misses, everything that spills. These rails can be wiped too. On the outside white parts. Yeah. So everybody asks, that's usually the Achilles heel, especially like with how do I do the top? And the top is the same way. The top actually has more steam on it, so because it's really kind of getting all that on top, you just want to go like this, and it's rough. You can feel it, Take all this out. Look at that, right? We'll use the clean side, get this piece off, and just wipe that all. You don't need any harsh stuff. You don't need any scouring pads, anything like that that'll mess anything up. This is a soft microfiber towel that can be washed. Look at that. And then we'll just pick up all the bottom crumbs here. This just gives a nice wipe right here, and then we'll do the sides too, okay? Don't forget the sides. Quick and easy. And I like it because, we're not using any harsh chemicals. Vinegar is going to be here forever and a day. So we'll wipe that tray out. And if you have it, I don't have it, but if you have like a shop vac or a vacuum, you can vac up all these crumbs super nice and easy. This won't work for video. So hit the close button. And guys, don't forget about the front here. This, again, let's get another clean rag. Let's use our warm vinegar water mix right here. And let's wipe this all down. This will really, look at that, kind of clean up all of this. Because I like to finish it with stainless steel, but you gotta get the stains off first, okay? Stainless steel will only do so much. Don't get to polish it, especially the handle that everybody touches. Look at that, it's gross. But now it's clean. All right, hit that clear button. Wipe all this dry, and then water-based Dawn stainless steel cleaner is key. Clean rag, wipe this off. Left to right, going with the stainless too. When you're doing stainless, follow the grain all the time, okay? So in the matter of a few minutes, this microwave is back to brand new, okay? Just with a A few simple ingredients, a little bit of towels, a little bit of micro. That looks great. Nice, quick, and easy video on how to do any microwave using normal household things that we always have. So thank you so much. Enjoy this video.